Did you know most new campers forget these 5 simple items? Don't make the same mistake. Let's get you ready for the wild. First up, a sturdy tent. You want one that's easy to set up and keeps you dry in any weather. Next, a cozy sleeping bag. Pick one suited for the season so you stay warm all night. Third, a reliable flashlight or headlamp. Trust me, it gets super dark out there. Fourth, always bring a portable first aid kit. Even small cuts and scrapes need quick attention. And finally, a simple camping stove. It makes cooking way easier, no more soggy sandwiches. With these 5 essentials, you'll be set for a safe and fun camping trip. Pack smart and happy camping.